Hello kids, let's learn some shapes. These are our shapes and color name. These are our colors. It is green color. It is purple color. It is violet color. It is yellow color. It is orange color. It is red color. This is black color. Let us draw these shapes. It is 5-pointed star. It has 5 points. It is right arrow. It is pentagon. It is rectangle. It is circle. Equilateral triangle. Let us color these shapes. Red color. It is pentagon. It has 5 sides. Orange color. It is circle. It has no side. Yellow color. It is 5-pointed star. It has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-pointed star. It is green color. It is rectangle. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And opposite sides are equal. It is purple color. It is right arrow. Its direction is rightward. It is violet color. It is equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And all sides are equal. Let us recall the shapes and color name once again. It is 5-pointed star, yellow color, right arrow, purple color, pentagon, red color, rectangle, green color, circle, orange color, equilateral triangle, violet color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.